Evolution built a solution so perfect, engineers are copying it. We think humans are special, but we're just one experiment among billions. A single bacterium navigates chemical gradients with 0 brain cells. Slime molds solve mazes faster than algorithms we spent decades perfecting. Octopuses have neurons in their arms, making independent decisions. Nature solved problems we're still scratching our heads over. Every organism is maximized for its world in ways we're only beginning to understand. We're not the pinnacle, we're one solution among countless masterpieces. Life is stranger than science fiction. Follow for more.